First week of April, Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral add yours Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to make sure that we are logged in on our Instagram account, of course, and then once you are on your Instagram, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then once you are here, you have to go to April 2022, add yours at highlights. And here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose some photos from the first week of April. So I will go ahead and choose just one photo. You can add multiple photos, of course. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and you can do the same thing with your picture by using your two fingers. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account on Ali and John YTT, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. You're not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to check that if you have problems by clicking on the add yours button. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.